Hello everyone, this is Asmita. I hope everybody are doing great. It brings me immense pleasure to announce that our Mind Your Mind series, which has completed 4 episodes, have been creating a really positive impact on the society. Today we come up with the 5th episode of Mind Your Mind series. And today we are going to talk about the topic Eudaimonia. To begin with, I'll just quote a small quote by Derek Jameson, in which he says, Eudaimonia is often translated as happiness, but the most appropriate and accurate definition of eudaimonia is fittingness. How well your efforts can match your gifts, match who you really are. Eudaimonia is a life of striving. It is a life of pushing yourself beyond your limits. I feel that if you desire something, you should work hard and get it. Because when you work hard and get that thing, the happiness which comes to you is really precious. For example, a simple 2000 rupee note given by your parent and that 2000 rupee note earned by yourself makes a huge difference. When that note is given to you by your parents, you might feel happy for some time till the money you spend. But when that 2000 rupee note is earned by you, by working hard, by doing whatsoever you want, by pushing yourself beyond the limits, beyond your comfort zone, then that 2000 rupee note is really valuable not only for you but also to your parents. I think eudaimonia is more accurately that you have to push yourself beyond your limit. You have to excel in whatever thing you do. Do a thing not only for the sake of if anyone is saying, your teachers are saying, your parents are saying, your friends are saying. No. Do a thing just to excel in it. For example, a parent should excel in growing up his children. A teacher should excel in teaching. A doctor should excel in healing people. A philosopher should excel in gaining knowledge and wisdom. Whatever you do, you should do it to excel yourself. And I wish some things we don't do at all because we think that those things are not really possible to us, that things won't be acquired by us. But I think work hard and you'll get it. That is what eudaimonia is. Striving yourself beyond your limits and getting those things. To end this, I'll just give you a short activity. Try it if possible. Make a list of things that you wish you would have, but you think that is not impossible for you to get it. Whether it be a person you like, anything it can be. It can be a thing which you like, it can be a Dolce & Gabbana bags, or it can be a person whom you love, but you think you won't get that person. Guys, life is really short. It will run in a span of minutes. So wish things, wish bigger things which you think you won't get it, but at last work hard and you'll get it. And with this, I end this 5th episode of Mind Your Mind series. I hope everybody will try it and do their best. Bye bye. Take care, everybody.